This is going to blow your mind. Let's dive into the world's most iconic train journeys. First stop, the Trans-Siberian Railway. Spanning Russia, it's the longest railway in the world. Talk about epic. Next, the Glacier Express in Switzerland. It's like riding through a postcard with jaw-dropping mountain views. Don't forget your camera. Third, India's Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, also known as the toy train. Tiny train, massive scenery. It's a childhood dream come true. Fourth, the Rocky Mountaineer in Canada. Think glaciers, forests and wildlife. It's like Mother Nature's greatest hits. Lastly, the Shinkansen in Japan. The bullet train that's as fast as it is futuristic. Blink and you'll miss it. Which one's your dream ride? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, happy travels.